Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean your rims, get rid of all the brake dust. So it might seem funny that I'm cutting oranges, but no, I'm not having my breakfast. You squeeze some orange juice inside this plastic cup. That should be enough to show you how it works. Now you add a little bit of dishwashing detergent. Okay, and you mix it around a bit. Now we throw it in here to spray on the rim. Okay, now we've got the dishwashing detergent and the water and the orange juice in this container here, and we're gonna spray it on and see what happens. Now this rim has got about, I don't know, about a month or a month and a half's worth of brake dust on it. Okay, we'll let that sit for a little while. You can see that it's working already. You can see the dirt just running down. Now we'll give it a quick brush with the paintbrush all over the rim and see what happens. Using the toothbrush to get into hard to reach places. The rim does have a little bit of curb rash, so never mind that. Now as I add a little bit more, you can see it start running down. It's been about, I don't know, 10 minutes. So look at that, it's just coming straight off. Now you just grab your garden hose and you rinse it off. Some of the places I missed with a brush. Look at that. Looks really good. So what do you think, guys? I think it really works well. Hey guys, this is the rim after it's dried. It came out pretty good, pretty shiny. I mean, if you don't have any brake dust cleaner and you want to use something you got at home, I mean, if you have oranges, for sure you do, and some dishwasher soap, you know, you just mix them together and you got yourself a pretty good cleaner. Look at it, came out really good. If you like this video, please subscribe and leave a like. See you next time.